Hey guys, Steve here with the Scroll Saw Workshop. Going to post a pattern tonight of a whole set of initials. These are full page size initials that have a space available to put a family name in, like you see over here on the left. And what I want to do tonight is show you how to take these patterns and add the name to them in a program called Inkscape. Inkscape is a free program that you can get for Windows and the Mac, and you can get it at www.inkscape.org. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'll put the link to this pattern right here in the description below. Of course, if you're reading this from the newsletter on the blog, it'll be in the download button where you can get this. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab one of these initials from the PDF that you downloaded, import it into Inkscape, and then edit it with the name. So I'm going to move all this stuff out of the way over here. Okay, with Inkscape open, you're going to go to File, Import. You will navigate to where you downloaded the pattern of all the initials. And click Open. That will open your PDF Import Settings tool. This page right here is the page that's going to load. So we need to scroll this over until we get just the page we want. So we can go back over here to the select page, click on the up arrow, and it will navigate through these pages until we get to the one we want. We want the letter A. Click OK. That will import that pattern for that initial into Inkscape. Now, one thing you have to do here to make this work, and you'll just have to remember this, is go up to Object, Ungroup, and that makes it to where we'll be able to weld the name into it when we get to that point. Okay, after we get this letter ungrouped, we can go over here to our text tool, click on it, click anywhere on the screen, and type the name that you want to put in this initial. And I'm going to use Anderson this time. Go up here and click your pick tool, which is the arrow, and you'll see we'll get these arrows around the bounding box around the name. We can take this name now and grab it with our left mouse button and drag it and put it right down here on the top of this bottom bar. Now we can grab these arrows and size this name any way we want. We can stretch it or increase the size. So if we grab this upper right hand arrow right here, you can see I can stretch it out and I can stretch it up, get it to about the length I want. Let's say right about there. I want to make sure that the text is overlapping. You can see we have just a little overlap there and a little overlap there. That's exactly what we want. Now we can take our pick tool, click up here in the space and drag. That will select all the pieces that we want to weld together. We go up to Path, Union, and now we can print this pattern out and cut it on our scroll saw. You could obviously also print this out at a larger size. I think it's about probably 7 inches tall, if I remember right, somewhere in there. So you may want to print it a little larger just to be able to make a larger initial, but just however you want to do it. So anyway, I'm Steve Good. Thanks for being here with me at the Scroll Saw Workshop. Catch you next time.